In this video, I'd like to talk about the marching rhexis sign as it pertains to both shape and direction in terms of scenarios of advanced zonulopathy. So here we have a capsular bag. You can see normal zonules as I've illustrated in green. And if there is iatrogenic loss or pseudoexfoliative loss of zonules, as in this case, we've got a region of zonulopathy as indicated by the X's, you're going to see two things happen. Number one, the shape of the capsulorhexis rim will change. Here it's circular. Here it'll change. Often it'll change to a D, but it can take on different shapes. What I want to highlight to you is where you see flattening. So here's the circularity. If you see a straight line, the straight line is a clue to you of where the region of zonulopathy is. So here, if we lose zonules, you're going to lose the circularity and it'll become more of a straight line. And the other thing I want to highlight to you, as I've illustrated earlier in terms of direction, is the capsulorhexis rim. Here it's nice and circular, it's centered. Not only will the shape change, but it will also shift. So here we see a horizontal shift of the capsulorhexis to the right. And what I want to highlight to you, as I've written here, is that the rhexis margin moves to the area of stronger zonules. So here we have a band of weak zonules, here we have a band of strong zonules, and the capsulorhexis rim will shift towards the stronger zonules. Why? I want you to think of zonules as like a tug of war. This zonule is competing with this zonule, and in an otherwise healthy eye, they're equal strength, and so there's no change in the direction of the capsulorhexis rim. If this zonule becomes weak, well, now we have this zonule being stronger than this zonule, and so the capsular bag and the rim will actually shift towards the region. This again applies if we had weakened zonules here, then the rim would shift downwards. And again, we would see the straightening of the capsulorhexis rim up above, or the same thing can be down below, or it can be in this region. So the take-home point with this is number one, if you come across a weak zonulopathy, pay attention to the shape of the capsulorhexis rim as well as the direction. It's so important to know this because if you're not aware, you may not know where to start your capsular tension ring, for example. And the capsulorhexis margin really gives you what I call almost like a compass for knowing where the region of zonulopathy is. I hope you found this video to be useful, and thanks for watching.